A clean home is a happy home, especially with kids and pets. Keeping things tidy isn't just about appearances, it's about health and safety. Kids and pets explore the world with open hearts and curious hands and paws, picking up all sorts of germs. Good hygiene practices are like superpowers, protecting your family from those invisible troublemakers. By teaching your kids about hygiene and keeping your pets clean, you're building a strong defense against germs. Regular hand washing, a good scrub in the bath, and keeping those paws sparkling clean can make a world of difference. Plus, a clean and organized home is a calming space for everyone to relax and enjoy. So, let's dive into the world of hygiene, discovering simple yet powerful ways to keep our families healthy and happy. Kids are like little sponges, soaking up everything around them, including germs. Teaching them about hygiene early on is crucial. Make it fun and engaging, turning everyday routines into superhero training against those pesky germs. Hand washing is a superpower. Show kids how to lather up with soap and water, scrubbing those fingers, palms, and under the nails for at least 20 seconds. Sing a song or set a timer to make it enjoyable. Make it a rule to wash hands before meals, after using the bathroom, and after playing outside. Bath time is another adventure. Make it a relaxing and fun experience with bubbles and toys. Gently wash their hair and bodies, ensuring all those nooks and crannies are clean. Don't forget those pearly whites. Brushing twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste is essential. Make it a family affair, brushing your teeth alongside your child. By incorporating these simple hygiene practices into their daily routine, you're setting your kids up for a lifetime of healthy habits. Our furry companions bring so much joy into our lives, and just like us, they need regular grooming to stay healthy and happy. Brushing is key. Regular brushing not only keeps your pet's fur clean and mat-free, but also helps distribute natural oils, promoting healthy skin and a shiny coat. The frequency of brushing depends on your pet's breed and coat type. For long-haired breeds, daily brushing is recommended, while short-haired pets may only need it a few times a week. Bath time for pets can be an adventure. Use lukewarm water and a pet-specific shampoo and conditioner. Be sure to rinse thoroughly to prevent skin irritation. Nail trims are crucial. Overgrown nails can be uncomfortable for your pet, making it difficult for them to walk and play. Trim their nails regularly, using a pet nail clipper. If you're unsure how to trim your pet's nails safely, consult with a veterinarian or professional groomer. By incorporating these grooming practices into your pet's routine, you're not only keeping them clean but also strengthening the bond you share. Remember, a clean pet is a happy and healthy pet. A clean and organized home is a sanctuary for the whole family, a place where everyone can relax and enjoy each other's company. Focus on high-traffic areas. The kitchen, bathrooms, and living room are where most of the action happens, so prioritize cleaning these areas regularly. Wipe down surfaces, disinfect countertops, and vacuum or mop floors frequently to keep germs at bay. Don't let laundry pile up. Washing clothes, towels, and bedding regularly is essential for maintaining a hygienic environment. Use hot water and detergent to kill germs and bacteria. Remember to wash pet bedding separately to prevent the spread of allergens. Make cleaning a family affair. Get everyone involved in age-appropriate chores. Even young children can help with simple tasks like putting away toys or wiping up spills. Make it a fun and collaborative experience, teaching kids the importance of cleanliness and responsibility. By establishing simple routines and working together, you can keep your home clean and welcoming for your family and furry friends. Balancing hygiene practices for both kids and pets can feel like a juggling act, but it's all about finding a happy medium. Designate pet-free zones. While you love your furry friends, it's a good idea to establish certain areas of your home as pet-free zones, especially for younger children. This could include the kitchen, dining area, and bedrooms. This helps minimize the spread of pet hair and dander, especially for children with allergies. Supervise interactions. Always supervise interactions between young children and pets, no matter how gentle your pet may seem. Teach children how to approach and pet animals gently, avoiding any rough play that could lead to scratches or bites. Wash those paws, just like you encourage your kids to wash their hands. Make it a habit to wipe your pet's paws after they've been outside. This helps prevent dirt, mud, and potential allergens from being tracked into your home. Use pet-friendly wipes or a damp cloth to clean their paws thoroughly. By establishing clear boundaries, supervising interactions, and maintaining good hygiene practices for both kids and pets, you can create a happy and healthy home for everyone. Food safety is crucial for maintaining a healthy home, especially when you have kids and pets. Separate human and pet food. Always store human food and pet food separately to prevent cross-contamination. Keep pet food in airtight containers and store it in a cool, dry place. Wash pet bowls regularly with hot, soapy water. Supervise mealtimes. Supervise young children during mealtimes to ensure they are eating safely and not sharing food with pets. Teach them to wash their hands before and after meals, and to avoid putting their fingers in their mouths. Handle pet food with care. When handling pet food, wash your hands thoroughly before and after. Avoid using your bare hands to scoop pet food. Use a designated scoop or spoon instead. Clean up any spills immediately to prevent attracting pests. By following these simple food safety and hygiene practices, you can create a healthier and safer environment for your family and furry friends. Creating a hygiene-friendly environment is all about making healthy choices that become second nature for the whole family. Choose easy-to-clean materials. When selecting furniture, flooring, and toys, opt for materials that are easy to clean and disinfect. Avoid fabrics that stain easily or harbor allergens. Choose washable rugs and toys that can be wiped down or thrown in the washing machine. Declutter regularly. Clutter can harbor dust, allergens, and germs, making it harder to maintain a clean and hygienic home. Regularly declutter and organize toys, clothes, and other belongings. Donate or discard items you no longer need or use. Ventilate your home. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining good indoor air quality. Open windows and doors regularly to allow fresh air to circulate. By creating a hygiene-friendly environment, you're setting the stage for a healthier and happier home. Accidents happen, especially when you have kids and pets. It's all about handling those mishaps with a positive attitude and a proactive approach. Clean up spills immediately. Spills are inevitable with kids and pets around. Clean up spills immediately to prevent stains and slips. Use a pet-safe cleaner for pet accidents to eliminate odors and discourage repeat offenses. Wash bedding frequently. Accidents happen, even during potty training. Wash bedding frequently, especially if your child or pet has had an accident. Use hot water and detergent to kill germs and bacteria. Keep a first aid kit handy. Accidents can happen anytime, so it's essential to have a well-stocked first aid kit on hand. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, and other essentials for treating minor cuts, scrapes, and bites. By handling them calmly and efficiently, you can minimize stress and maintain a clean and healthy home for your family and furry friends. Teaching kids about pet hygiene is not only beneficial for their health, but also fosters a sense of responsibility and compassion towards animals. Make it a fun and engaging experience, turning everyday tasks into opportunities for learning and bonding. Hand washing after petting. Instill the importance of hand washing after petting or playing with pets. Explain that while our furry friends are cuddly and fun, they can carry germs that can make us sick. No sharing food or utensils. Teach kids that it's not safe to share food or utensils with pets. Explain that human food can be harmful to animals and that sharing utensils can spread germs. Respecting pet boundaries. Teach kids to respect pet boundaries and avoid disturbing them while they are eating, sleeping, or using the litter box. By involving kids in pet care and hygiene practices, you're not only teaching them valuable life lessons, but also strengthening the bond between them and their furry companions. Just like humans need regular checkups, our furry companions also benefit from routine veterinary care. Regular vet visits are essential for preventing and detecting health issues early on, ensuring your pet lives a long and healthy life. Vaccinations are vital. Vaccinations protect pets from potentially deadly diseases. Follow your veterinarian's recommended vaccination schedule to keep your pet's immune system strong and prevent the spread of diseases. Parasite prevention is key. Fleas, ticks, and heartworms can cause a range of health problems for pets. Use veterinarian-recommended parasite prevention medications year-round to protect your pet from these pesky critters. Dental care matters. Dental disease is common in pets and can lead to serious health issues if left untreated. By investing in regular vet checkups, you're taking proactive steps to ensure your pet's health and well-being. Creating a healthy home for your family and furry friends is a journey, not a destination. It's about making conscious choices, establishing good habits, and embracing a little bit of chaos along the way. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about creating a loving and supportive environment where everyone can thrive. By incorporating the tips and strategies outlined in this essay, you're well on your way to building a healthier and happier home for your loved ones. So embrace the journey, celebrate the little victories, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're doing your best to keep your family healthy and happy. A clean and healthy home is a reflection of the love and care you have for your family, both two-legged and four-legged. Create a space where everyone can thrive, laugh, and create lasting memories together.